Welcome back to Matchmove For Production by VFX Tutors. My name's Josh and I'll be going through the course breakdown with you. I'll be talking about what you'll be doing and just a little bit more info on the shots. The first section we will be doing is the Matchmove Survey to Layout, and this has 10 shots we can do. This section is probably the most important as it will teach you the fundamentals of lining up your cameras accurately and surveying points to lay out set geometry. The reason why this is so important is this is what you will have to do if you want to work on film or TV production. Making cameras work to layout is extremely important for the efficiency within the VFX team. And this is why there are 10 shots in this section. The second section, Drone, Create Geo and Layout. This is more for when you don't have much info or set geometry. We will be working from just drone footage. We'll create the set geo and layout, and we'll prep it all for the rest of the VFX departments. The third section is object animation. We will be tracking cameras and moving objects within the plate so we can add effects to the moving parts in the plate. The fourth section is the bonus section. We will be doing 2 zooming shots, 1 big drone shot, and there are also 2 project shots, the Hunter project and the SIF project. The Hunter project, which has a small rough edit of about 5 shots, and the SIF project, which has a small rough edit of about 7 shots you can do. All these shots have been based on basic VFX ideas and have been designed to fit as many people's needs for creativity. Whether if it's a shot for your CG creature or if you just want to create an environment. There'll be something for every artist here. So let's move on and get your software for Matchmove For Production. And please like and subscribe.